Ever written a rent check, only to realize your snazzy new online bank doesn't offer them? It's a scenario more common than you might think, especially with the rise of these sleek, app-based financial institutions. So, let's face the burning question: does Relay Bank join the check writing club, or are you stuck in a digital-only world? For many, checks are a relic of the past, dusty reminders of a bygone era. But for others, they're a lifeline. Maybe your landlord is a stickler for tradition, or perhaps you need to send a quick payment to a grandma who doesn't do online banking. Whatever the reason, checks can still be a valuable tool in your financial arsenal. Now, Relay certainly boasts a bunch of perks. Their mobile app is intuitive, fees are minimal, and the multiple account option lets you organize your finances like a pro. But does all that digital glory come at the cost of check writing convenience? Here's the skinny, buckle up, because it's not a straightforward yes or no. Hold on, Relay doesn't actually print checks. That's right, folks. If you're picturing a classic checkbook with your name elegantly scripted across the top, you're out of luck. Relay doesn't offer in-house check printing. But wait, there's a twist. Introducing third-party checks, a workaround with a twist. Remember that trusty checkbook you might have stashed away? Or maybe a friend or family member has a spare one lying around. Here's the good news: Relay allows you to use checks from a third-party vendor. So, you can breathe a sigh of relief. Your grandma's birthday present isn't doomed just yet. But before you start scribbling out those payees, there are a few things to keep in mind. It's not a seamless process. You'll need to order checks from a separate company, which means additional costs and waiting time. Not the smoothest experience, but it gets the job done. Relay gets to approve or deny once you've got your third-party checkbook. You can't just start writing willy-nilly. Relay has a system where you need to approve each check payment through their app. This adds an extra step, but it also helps with security and keeps track of your finances. Keep it stateside. Unfortunately, Relay only allows checks drawn on U.S. banks. Sending an international payment this way is a no-go. So, is Relay right for you? The check writing verdict. The answer depends on your needs. If you're a digital whiz who rarely deals with physical checks, Relay's app-centric approach might be perfect. But if checks are a crucial part of your financial routine, the third-party workaround might be a bit cumbersome. Beyond checks, exploring Relay's alternatives. Let's say you decide Relay isn't the check writing champion you need. Don't despair. Here are some alternative online banks that do offer in-house check printing. Chime. Current. Axos Bank. Simple, by BBVA. Of course, these banks might have their own set of pros and cons, so do your research before making the switch. The final word: checks aren't dead, yet. While checks might seem like dinosaurs in the digital age, they still hold a place in the financial world. Whether you're dealing with old-fashioned landlords or tech-averse family members, checks offer a reliable way to send payments. As far as Relay goes, they offer a fantastic platform with a workaround for check writing needs. But just remember, it's not the most streamlined option. Ultimately, the choice boils down to your individual financial habits and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.